Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday the 14th of December 2020. We are starting new week, a completely new week. It will be almost the last one on the financial markets. The last that is really at least that important that something can change actually before the year's end. So I think we should take a look at the Forex calendar and then do some technical analysis. So let's just sweep down for today, and as you can see straight on, there is nothing really interesting and nothing of the high importance on the financial markets today. We got some data from Japan. We got some tertiary industry index and industrial production data. They were better than expected, as you can see, 4%, while the market participants expected 3.8%. We got the wholesale price index that increased to 0.1%, but the expected increase was 0.2%. Those data were from Germany, and we got another data from Germany scheduled at noon. It's a Bundesbank monthly report, and kind of interesting might be the industrial production data from the Eurozone scheduled at 11 o'clock, because of course of the situation with the pandemic, that it's not deteriorating, it's getting worse and worse around the world. And then deep in the night at 9 o'clock p.m. we got the Westpac consumer confidence for the fourth quarter. So we see how the New Zealand consumer confidence is behaving. Deep in the night on Tuesday, we got some data from other countries like Australia. We got the monetary policy meeting minutes to be released at 1:30 in the night, and then we got some data from China. So let's just take a look at them. Fixed asset investment, industrial production, retail sales, and unemployment rate. So those data will be released like 3 o'clock in the night. So please be aware of that, and we will see if they will have any impact on especially on the commodity currencies like Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, maybe on the Canadian dollar. But this will be deep in the night on Tuesday. For today, as you can see, not much is going on. So let's just go to this to the technical analysis part to do some kind of analysis on the Australian dollar. I think we can take a look at this because we got something interesting going on here. As you can see on this daily time frame chart, we have a breakout. We had a breakout, and the breakout was kind of severe because after the short test of the 7,415, the market just spiked up, and currently we are trading around the level of 7,565. So it's almost 150 pips higher than the last important technical resistance. So right now this resistance will be our support for the price. So it will be like a green, and this level, as you can see, it was a resistance, and now it will be of course support, because those are the rule of the technical analysis. So the last high was made here at the top of this candle. As you can see, this is daily candle, and it looks like a pin bar candle. Apparently it looks a little bit like a doji, so it's not very promising sign for those who are participating in this uptrend from this is 2nd of November. So this uptrend is over 1 month long, so that's nice. That's okay for the bulls, and I think we should just notice the low of this candle here, which is at the level of 7,521. So basically this is the range. This is the range on the Australian dollar, because we are looking for the confirmation that this is valid signal. The signal that is saying that there is a potential trend pause or trend reversal in sort of the continuation of a movement of a down move, right? Because there was a down move here, there's upper shadow here, and there was a down move. So we might continue it, but we need a confirmation. The confirmation comes if the high at 7,573 is not violated, right? So we need some sort of the red candle apparently here, and if we will get one, then of course possibly there will be a breakout of 7,521, and then of course we will test 7,483, and then we will see, because the key technical support is still 7,415. So please be aware of that and keep an eye on this key technical support. As long as it's not validated, the market will likely go higher on the Australian dollar. But right now we are trending still inside of the range, and we will see if there's a confirmation of this candle signal or not on the Australian dollar. So if we are trading, if we are analyzing Australian dollar, we have to take a look at the New Zealand dollar as well. So what is going on here? The situation is kind of similar to the New Zealand dollar. As you can see, we got this level of 7,056 violated now. We got a new high. New high was made at the 7,110. So this is our new point of the reference, and this will be changed to green now. All right. So this is our technical support. I think we should mark the last high here. It was the high was 7,010. We got 9. Okay, that's okay. So this is our last high, and of course the technical support, the local technical support. Well, I cannot do anything else but mark it somewhere here, just below this great, nice green candle, and the technical support is 7,011. This will be very, very interesting now, because we are changing our supply zone to this demand zone right now. So between the levels of 6,941 and 6,972, that's like about 30 pips. This right now will be support zone. Basically, it will be a support zone or demand zone, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, the base channel has been broken, and this is the uptrend. Well, let's count from the breakout of this base channel, 5th of the November, right? And there was some kind of a breakout above this technical resistance here around the level of 6,786, and then we going up and up and up. So everything is good, everything looks nice. The next target on the New Zealand dollar is seen at the 7,150, but please take a look on the momentum. We are trading above the level of 70, which means we are trading in overbought market conditions. We got this slight dip towards the level of 66, as you can see, during this consolidation, but after the great green candle, we are back above the 70, and because there is a high at 7,110 and there is no new high here, we got a beginning of a bearish divergence. So right now it's very, very tricky for the bulls, so please bear in mind that there might be some deeper correction towards the level of 7,011, and then even towards the key technical support, 6,972, 6,941. So please bear in mind this current setup. And of course, if we are talking about China, we need to talk about gold as well. So let's take a look at the gold market. What is going on here? Not much volatility, as you can see. We got the reversal. Let me just point it out with this blue candle. We got the reversal from the zone of a technical resistance zone or supply zone, 1,841, 1,865. We got this high made here, so it was apparently violated, but as you can see, on a very, very low volatility, and then next day we got just a bearish response, and now we are trading below 1848. As you can see, this is the lower line of this supply zone. Tried 2 times to break, no avail, and right now we are starting another day with a down move, right? So if we break below 1817, then I think this move down will be continued despite the fact that there was apparently some kind of a breakout, right? As you can see, we test this old trend line, then we broke above this short-term blue line here, and then we just failed around the level of 1875. So please be careful, because we might be going lower on the gold as well if the 1817 level is violated. The target then will be again 50% of the Fibonacci retracement seen at $1,762. So I got this free markets for you for today, and I think that's enough for the not very busy day as we can see from the Forex calendar. So please bear in mind this situation, and I think I will see you guys tomorrow with the new analysis. So thank you for watching this, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.